Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I want to solve some major skin problems. A lot of people complain of acne, complain of so many skin problems, and you tend to spend a lot of money on something that you would have actually used just a single product to get rid of these things. But you tend to waste so much money on buying products, buying items, when you can actually just get something at your home and fix the problem. So on today's video, I want to take care of those things. I am going to be reviewing apple cider vinegar. And on this video, I am going to be taking my time to explain to you what apple cider vinegar is made of and how you can include this in your skincare routine in order for you to be able to tackle so many skincare problems that you tend to waste money on. So this video, I am going to be mentioning skin problems that can actually be solved using apple cider vinegar, and I will not just stop at mentioning it. I am going to go ahead to also tell you the ways to use it in order for it to be effective and in order for it to take care of that skin problem. So please subscribe if you're interested in this topic. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell so as to be notified each time there is an upload coming from me. Give this video a thumbs up and share this video all over the globe. So without wasting much time, let's get right in. What is apple cider really made of? Now, this is apple cider vinegar with the mother. It is this vinegar that I am going to be reviewing today. This is how it looks like. If you can't see it well, I'm still gonna put it on the screen so that you get it. You see very well. But in the meantime, this is how it looks like. So what is apple cider vinegar made of? Apple cider vinegar are just mere organic apples. They are made from organic apples. When added yeast into organic apples, it's called fermenting process. That process is called fermentation. So when apple cider vinegar is fermented, it turns into acetic acid. So these are just pure natural apples. The only difference is that the sugars have been removed through the process of fermenting, and then it turns into acetic acid. That is why you have the sour taste from this apple cider vinegar. You can't try to put this in your mouth like that. It will burn your tongue because it is now acidic. It is highly acidic. It's very high in nutrients like vitamin B, vitamin C, and other fruit acid. So let me quickly tell you the skin problems that you can use. I am going to be mentioning it one after the other, and as I'm taking it in order, I'll also be listing the way you can use it in order to tackle the problem. Now let us start with using it as a toner. You can actually use this as a toner, whether you use it like that on its own or you add other additives to it. But it is a major ingredient when you're talking about using it as a toner. Note that you cannot actually use this like that directly on the skin. You can apply this on your skin. Remember, it contains acetic acid and it can actually burn your skin. So the best way you can use apple cider vinegar as a toner is for you to take half cup of water, then you make use of 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. All you are doing is trying to dilute this apple cider vinegar so that it doesn't give an overreaction on your skin. And instead of trying to treat what you want it to treat, it goes further to do damage, more damage. So you are going to dilute it with water. Either you add 2 tablespoons or more, but the essence is to dilute it. Then you make use of a cotton wool and dab and apply it on your skin as a toner. This helps a lot. This helps a lot in lightening age spots, lightening freckles, lightening things like that on the skin, like brown spot, dark spots, any discoloration on the skin. Apple cider vinegar helps because it's made of fruit acid. The next thing you can use apple cider vinegar to treat is you can make use of this apple cider vinegar as a cleanser. Some of us already know that majority of cleansers in the market contains apple cider vinegar. If you're talking about natural cleansers, not the ones that is made from high chemicals. Natural cleansers are made from apple cider vinegar, and they are the kinds of cleansers that actually does work well on the skin. So you can make use of this as a cleanser. You can add 1 tablespoon of this apple cider vinegar and put it in a quarter of water. Then you add rose water to it, or you add half tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in half cup of rose water and use it as a cleanser. You know how to make use of a cleanser. This cleanser works so well on the skin. You can either mix it to a glycerin or you can mix it to a rose water, whichever one you can actually get first. This cleanser works so well on the skin. Use it to clean your skin, and it's going to take care of so many things. It's going to give you a very special glow on your skin. It's going to clean your face off of so many dead skin cells on your skin and make your skin very clean. Apple cider vinegar can be used for chemical exfoliate. Fruit acid helps remove the outermost layers of the skin, and this apple cider vinegar contains fruit acid, so it can be used as a chemical exfoliate to exfoliate your skin and do away with dead skin cells, all your pores that have been clogged by dirt. This apple cider vinegar can be used to exfoliate it and give you a clear skin. Another thing you can use to treat using apple cider vinegar is sunburn. Whenever you get under the sun and you get back home, you can add apple cider vinegar into water. Make use of your cotton wool and just rub it all over your face. Or you can add apple cider vinegar, like half tablespoon or 1 tablespoon, into your bathing water after you left the sun, and use it to have your bath. It is going to help revive your skin from any UV radiation. It's going to help revive your skin from sun, all the sun damages that you would have gotten as a reaction of staying under the sun. So it's going to revive it and regenerate your skin automatically. Another thing you can make use of apple cider vinegar to treat is acne. Very important. Apple cider vinegar works so much on acne. Apple cider vinegar helps clear those bacteria that clog on your skin and makes you have pimples. When you use apple cider vinegar as a cleanser or as a toner, you are going to treat your acne. You can add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a half or quarter cup of water and use it to apply on your acne. You can do this repeatedly, and within a week you will see major difference in your acne. You see why I tell you that there are several things that can actually be done by yourself without you buying several expensive products that you would end up regretting or may not even end up working for you. You can actually make use of something like this and you clear it at home without spending so much. In the acne treatment, while using apple cider vinegar, there are several other ingredients that you can add with it, like your rose water, like your glycerin, like honey. There are several things that works and fight acne. You can make use of tomato, you can make use of turmeric, you can make use of clear max, fuller earth. You can make use of so many things. Then you add apple cider vinegar in it, use it as a face mask or you use it as a cleanser. Then you treat your acne at home on your own naturally without having side effects. Another treatment you can use apple cider vinegar to treat is skin tag. Apple cider vinegar is very effective on skin tag and it treats skin tag naturally. All you need to do is for you to dab apple cider vinegar. This one you don't need to dilute it in water, since skin tag is the growth of skin on the body. So you just need another skin. So what you want to achieve is for the skin tag to fall off. So you just need to dab the raw apple cider vinegar and put it on the skin tag. Don't let it touch your skin. Be very careful. Just put it around the skin tag. Repeat this treatment every night, or you do it twice in a day, and your skin tag is going to fall off. Apple cider vinegar, very effective on skin tag. So you can try it on your own at home. You are going to see the effect that it's going to give you. The number 8 treatment you can use apple cider vinegar for is wrinkles. As we age, all of us tend to have wrinkles, especially those that are not actually interested in making use of vitamin C or are not checking their diet. We tend to have wrinkles very fast. So apple cider vinegar can actually help in treating wrinkles. You can add this to your bath. When you're having your warm bath, you can add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to your bath, or you can be consuming it as a tea, or you can be applying it as a toner or as a cleanser. It takes care of wrinkles. How this apple cider vinegar helps to get rid of wrinkles is because it tightens your skin. Yes, it tightens your skin. When your skin begins to loose, when you know you've given birth to 2 children, or you've started childbearing, try to have apple cider vinegar in your home. Add it to your bath, or consume it, or use it as a cleanser, or use it as a toner, or just use it as a body mask. Apply it on your body in order for you to tighten your loose skin, and that way you are going to help prevent your skin from wrinkles. Another thing that apple cider vinegar can help with, which is the number 9, which might be our last today, is vaginal health. Apple cider vinegar helps keep the pH balance of our vagina and prevent you from having a yeast infection, prevent you from several infection that would take you to the hospital, and they will end up giving you antibiotics. Antibiotics doesn't help, rather it causes more harm to your health and to your entire body. So the best thing is for you to make use of natural ingredients, and that natural ingredient I'll be recommending is apple cider vinegar. It is what I have used, and I can attest to it. I was once a patient of yeast infection. I went through so many things in the hospital, injections, and it was all antibiotics, and what it did was cause more harm for me until I started using apple cider vinegar as a tea. Started using apple cider vinegar to steam. Started using apple cider vinegar to drink as a tea early in the morning and in the night. It took care of it without anything. So what you have to do, all you actually need to do, is to make use of apple cider vinegar to steam yourself. You know how to steam yourself, and you can also add lavender in it. Lavender also contains antibacterials. You can add lavender into your steam water or tea tree oil. Add this like 1 or 2 tablespoons and steam your body. It's going to take away all bad bacteria and keep the good bacteria. That is balancing the pH of your vagina now. So that's all you need to do. So my darling, you can get this apple cider vinegar in the link I am going to put below. If you're in Nigeria, you can buy from the first link, and if you're outside the country, you can buy from the second link, which is Amazon link. So get this. You can keep this in your toilet or keep this in your kitchen, but this must be in your home cabinet. Bye.